Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So it looks like Proshares is finally releasing IQQQ. So this is their buddy to iSpy. So I know a few of you've been waiting patiently, and they've looks like they finally got things sorted. So by the time this video comes out, the fund should also be released as well. According to the prospectus, it says March 15th, 2024. So hopefully, there's no other weird delays. So IQQQ, NASDAQ 100 High Income ETF. So I don't know if Defiance should be worried or not. I mean, ProShares definitely has like the cost advantage, but I think Defiance, the triple QY, had better marketing. It's also more popular with YouTubers, but that could be sometimes a bad thing too. So IQQQ, it'll have, well, it'll be very similar to iSpy, so it'll have monthly distributions. The expense ratio is going to be 55 basis points. And I'm hoping, like, in time, like these two, like iSpy, IQQQ, will have good option chains as well. So let's see what else. So the indices are pretty interesting. So this one isn't based off of the S&P Global. This is based off of like the Nasdaq. So of course, like the index and the sub index going to be maintained by Nasdaq Incorporated. So in case you want to do some more research on this, you can look this up yourself. It's called NDX DCC and NDX DCCI. In case you want to, I guess like do more research on your own. I'm not gonna do as many videos for this one as I did for iSpy. I guess like for one, I guess for some reason this isn't as popular. I think these are more conservatively run, but I think because like they're using like swaps instead of options, I think people are a little gun shy, and of course, like you have to take into account your own risk preferences. So I think that's okay. I think the other thing to note, I'm hoping that they'll use like another counterparty. So if they use Goldman Sachs again, then you have like two ETFs that are like exposed to like the same counterparty. So we'll just have to see what happens. I might make like a follow-up video in the future, depending on demand. I don't want to kill myself again and then like make a whole bunch of videos and then only a handful of people are watching. I think overall, I think this is a good thing. It's good to have more options. No pun intended. I guess like more choices for option-based ETFs will be the way to say it. I still think this is a good time to be alive. I think the pro shares. I think they'll be able to outperform in terms of price performance, meaning it probably won't have as much NAV erosion or NAV drag or whatever you want to call it. But they probably won't be able to outperform in terms of yield. So in any event, I think people are better off using this as part of your retirement portfolio. I still think people need like income-based investments like dividend aristocrats, treasuries, what have you. Of course, the risks are we don't have any control over the option strike selection, implied volatility. Well, you guys have seen like it's not that great lately, and it could definitely get cheaper. And I'm kind of wondering what took so long, and if this is might be like a little bit too little, too late. I mean, but we'll see. I'm kind of hoping they also do like an IWM version just to kind of round out everything. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. All subscriptions are welcome. And of course, just be careful out there. Something seems not so right with the market, but maybe it's just me. In any event, I hope people make some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.